everybody, welcome back to Tip Top Tips. Today we're talking about vaccinations. So this is a topic that everybody is talking about right now, and so it's useful to have vocabulary to help you explain yourself. So the first word we're going to talk about is vaccination. Vaccination it's the noun we use to describe the process of using drugs to protect people from germs, from bacteria, from illnesses. Vaccination, this is the way we do it. So, next, the verb we use is to vaccinate somebody against the sickness, okay? So if the doctor vaccinates you, you can say, I'm vaccinated, like this old lady. Or maybe babies, yes, that's a baby, I'm great at art. Babies might say, I'm unvaccinated. He hasn't had his vaccine yet. So the adjectives to describe your status: vaccinated, I have the vaccine; unvaccinated, I don't have a vaccine. Okay? And that brings us to our next term, the actual drugs. The way we describe the drugs is vaccines. So there are many different types of vaccines. There are vaccines against polio, against tetanus, smallpox, flu, hepatitis, yellow fever, and of course we all know the modern day vaccines, the famous BioNTech Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine against COVID. So the next question is, how do we get these drugs delivered? They go straight into our blood through an injection. Okay, where the needle goes into the arm, or maybe sometimes in the butt. But in America, they call this a shot. But in Britain, we might call this a jab. So in the winter, in America, you get your flu shot, and in Britain, you would get your flu jab. But they're both talking about an injection, usually of a vaccine. And the reason you have it is to vaccinate yourself, and if you do that, then you are vaccinated. If you don't, you're unvaccinated. And the whole program is called vaccination. Guys, I hope this helps you to take part in conversations that are happening today about these topics. If this video was useful and you would like more, try these ones. Or give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. And if there's a topic that you would like help with more vocabulary, please let us know in the comments and we'll make a video for you. Take care, see you next time, bye! Tip, 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 tops, we got the tips.